All right, Pete, so my car's in the garage and I want to work on it and all myself. In other words, there's the restoration shops, but I'm watching Auto Resto Mod. I have the confidence now to go do these things myself. Should I get insurance on it when it's in my garage? Because isn't that covered under my homeowner's?
Jeff, it's not covered under your homeowner's policy. Your homeowner's policy may look at it and say it's just a bucket of parts. And now you've got the argument with the claims adjuster when there is a claim. What was that? It wasn't a car yet. It wasn't on the street yet.
Wow.
That's where we come in and provide an auto policy for the vehicle that we know you're going to construct someday. There's another aspect to that that a lot of people don't think about. And in the hobby, it's very common to work on your own vehicle in your garage. Have it up on jack stands and call your buddies over to help you out on the restoration.
Right.
There have been instances where a car may fall off of a jack stand or a jack and injure somebody. Because it's a vehicle, it's a personal auto, that's actually a liability claim to your personal auto policy and not covered by your homeowner's policy.
So yeah, I mean, I hadn't even thought about that because we all do that. I mean, you've probably done the same thing. Hey guys, come on over. We need to do blah, blah on the car. We're gonna pull the transmission, whatever. Come over, I'll buy the pizza and help me with the car. And you don't really think about your buddies coming over and possibly getting injured. But that's a good reason to run the insurance as well, because then you're not in a dead panic about your buddy. I mean, other than the fact that he's been injured, you're not in a dead panic about, oh my God, how am I gonna do this?
Correct.
Wow, I never even considered that aspect. Because even with us at the shop, with what we do on a weekly basis, you know, on the 67, again, we're working on that car, I'll feel a lot more comfortable now because, you know, something happens to Vinny or I or whatever, we can have the insurance coverage on that. So that's really neat. I didn't realize you guys did that.